What's up with your creative face? Philip here from Creative Sound. In this video, let's talk a little bit more about Accusonus and what they're doing. Intro. So in this video, I'm working on videos, right? I'm trying to get more content on this channel, and I thought it was pretty cool to show you how I'm able to clean up vocals. So let me explain. So if you are the type of person that record videos, you blog, you're a blogger, right? And or whoever you are, you didn't record the best audio, right? You got some things you're trying to clear up, background noise, wind, especially those of you that likes to record videos using the built-in, is if it's in the camera, the audio that's built in, and not all the time audio sounds great, right? So the whole purpose of Accusonus and what they do is they create plugins to help clean up the audio to make it sound as best as possible, right? It's not going to sound like you recorded in a professional booth that costs $1 million. It's not going to sound that way, but it will enhance your sound. And I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like. So I am in Studio One, which is my DAW of choice that I use daily for editing these type of things. And you might want to put on headphones so you can hear what's going on. So I went through a wireless mic system, but lavalier mics pick up. It sounds better than the camera mic, but they still pick up a lot of stuff, right? So I use things from Accusonus to help me pick that up. So now they have something pretty new and unique. So I'm gonna just pull this thing on in here. It's the Eris or Era 5. I don't know why I want to say Eris, but it's the Era 5. It's Accusonus, and we have the option to put in about 5 things. This is 5 slots for 5 different plugs, right? And so now we have this thing where we can look at the different presets, and so they already pretty much mapped it out for you. So if you just want to clarify the vocal, there's a slot for that. If you want to clear a loud vocal, or you want to remove clipping, or you got a deep radio voice, it's different type of presets for the different case scenario or popular case scenarios. So let's listen back right quick before we do anything. I'm gonna listen back to this video. And like I say, put on headphones and you can kind of hear the background.
Bunch of things that they made, like sample packs, plugins, things like that. As long as it has the Persona's name next to it in their shop.
So
all of that.
So as you can hear, there's this background noise, right? Yeah, that happens a lot of times. So we're going to go ahead and use Personas. We're going to go ahead and use Accusonus plugs and just start playing around with these different settings. So for something like that, let's see, if I was to go to, I'm gonna just play around. Let's say bedroom. Let's just say bedroom noise remover. So let's go with that and see what happens.
That's included. The third party stuff. No. Not the third party stuff. But everything is made by Personas. Now, Personas has a nice amount of...
Okay, not so bad, right? I probably wouldn't settle there. There's a lot that happened. I'm not really satisfied with the sound, but I'm just show you what's going on. So we got the noise remover. And you can also adjust these, right? That's what I'll probably end up doing. So this might be a good starting point. This one is pretty new. I don't think I've ever seen this voice auto EQ. So what it's doing is detecting your voice, and I think what it's doing is adding bass, because I hear more of a bass that's brought into it. So it's trying to help the tonality of my vocal. Then we have a de-esser on here, which helps with the harsh S's or shh, those type of things. And then we have a voice leveler that helps, if I'm talking low, it kind of acts like a compressor. It brings up the low volume, and kind of tames, keep everything more like a, you know, it's automating for me. It's doing a really good job of doing that. And is there a fifth one? No, there is not a fifth one there. So what I could do is
things in there that when you do the math, wow.
right. I think I can go and switch up stuff. So this one cleans up the mid range. This one cleans up the high and low. This one's like a low frequency, like cleans up all, if there's, things in that register, it does that. And this is like the flat. And you can also use these plugins as standalone. Like you don't even have to use this whole rack type thing here. But this is cool. I like this. I think I will just use it like this from now on.
It's crazy. So you get the bargain when you.
So let's play with some other presets before I like really dial in. So if I'm not clipping, and let's say dialogue leveling, let's see what happens there. So it only gave me 2.
Subscribe to the Sphere. Let's break that down. If you have a proprietary license with Studio One 5, you good. You own it.
I think it did a good job right there. That's probably all we need to do right there.
Until the day you upgrade.
Let's turn it off. Let's see what happens.
Right? That's just is what it is. It's always like that. That is the part.
Once again, you need headphones to be able to detect the thing that's in the background. I think I had a fan coming from the refrigerator on.
For a month, you get everything that Personas made in they.
It's like a little wind sound, like a fan or something. But if I turn this back on,
they shop, right? In the shop, there's a bunch of things that they made, like sample packs.
But I could do this.
Plugins, things like that.
I hear more.
As long as it has the Personas name next to it in their shop, all of that's included. The third party stuff.
There we go.
No. Not the third party stuff. But everything is made by Personas. Now, Personas has a nice amount of things in there.
Well, I could do this. So between this one,
when you do the math, wow.
Yeah, so between this one and this one, it's cleaning up.
It's crazy. So you get the bargain when you subscribe.
Now, keep in mind, it is doing this thing where it's kind of like a pulsing, so you have to just do your best to kind of go like in between and just kind of find the sweet spot.
To the Sphere. Let's break that down.
I don't know what to see. Can I move this? Okay, I can.
If you have a proprietary license with Studio One 5, you good. You own it forever.
Also
until the day you upgrade, right? That's just is what it is. It's always like that,
Right? That's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to go for that auto. Where is it? The auto EQ. So it's going to listen. Wow, that's pretty unique. It's listening. So let's go.
That is the part that's very significant. Because of Sphere, that doesn't mean that you're now paying a monthly subscription for 5.
So we
got that out of the way, right? So if you got 5, you're good. You don't have to worry about it. If you want to take advantage of Sphere, that's another type of deal where you get all of the things that I was telling you about. But you also get Studio One 5 in there as well. So if you're like a beginner, like you like Studio One, you watch my videos and stuff like that, and you like, you know what? I want to get Studio One 5, but I can't afford to pay for $400, $500 or whatever, right? So if you join the Sphere family, right?
That's not bad. That's not bad. That's pretty good, actually. And here's the voice deepener. I don't really want it to deepen my voice. I think it's doing a great job as it is. But what if we do like a noise remover? I guess Yeah, we already have that, so never mind that. What if we go for a de-esser to kind of help tame the harsh S?
Right. Then you get all these cool things. You get the university in there where you got people like Joe Gilder in there, and
maybe it's not doing that.
You know, it's like power up. You know what I mean? Power up your Studio 1.5 with all these cool things that you now have access to.
Oh, there you
and
go.
Also, you can use some of the plugins as third-party plugs with the Personas Hub. I got to talk about that. I'm gonna do a video on that. But you have all of these pretty cool things that are happening with the Sphere deal, right?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now there's a fifth slot. I don't know what I would need a fifth slot for. I pretty much have everything. Maybe a plosive, but I'm not really on a mic like that where I'm doing that type of thing. But it's definitely there. What I want to see, what if I double up the noise removal? Will it let me put it in there 2 times? Yes, it does. So it's in there twice.
Right. But if you are a Studio One owner and you buy into this,
obviously that's an overkill. So I can get rid of that, empty the slot. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that.
To the Sphere, that's a power up for you, right? The moment that you stop paying for Sphere.
So that's really the gist of this type of plugin. It helps clean up and clear up the vocal. Now, I also use this for other things. I don't only use this for vocal. I also use this to clean up bass. Sometimes I get like, tracks where live instrumentation is happening in there. And there's like some cleanups that need to happen in the bass line. Sometimes there's like this fuzz or this like this staticky feedback sound that comes through because of, analog gear. You got the connections, sometimes, ground issues. And so you cleaning up different things like that, or perhaps a guitar. And that's a famous one for me. When I get, guys playing lead guitar parts, right? I always get like those weird buzz sounds, right? What you can do for that, I'll go back in here. What you can do for that is, you see this thing here where in the noise remover section, it's got this button here. This button right here says use on tonal. Let me see. Let's pull up again. Use on tonal buzz like static noise. I want to say 99% of the time, this works for me. And it kills that sound. And sometimes that happens in audio, like voice, like depending on how you record vocals. Sometimes you get that buzz sound that comes in, and you just go in and put this noise removal on here and click that button, and it kills it instantly. So you don't have to go in and try to find the frequency and mess with the tonality of the actual audio signal. You don't have to do any of that. You just hit that button. So I find these plugs specifically pretty useful, pretty helpful for what I do, cleaning up stuff, because that's a part of music production. That's a part of mixing. It's just a part of trying to go after the best audio possible. I've used it on my voice several times when I do videos and reviews. I do the best I can to try to come in through my system. And right now you guys are hearing a very clean signal because of the way I'm set up, but it don't all the time happen that way. Technology, anytime you got computers involved and electronics involved, you know what I mean? I'm not always using my system to record my audio. I'm sometimes going through other mic setups. And so it's very useful to have this type of plugins to help clean up and bring forth clarity. So yeah, I vouch for Accusonus, and their prices are pretty reasonable for what they're doing. So if you like what you heard and you find value, of course you can do a little bit more. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix my audio up a little bit more, pump it up, you know what I mean, and get it ready to publish and things like that. But if you find value in this video and what I was able to show you guys, the link is in the description of this video. I know you may not like affiliate links, but let me tell you, it helps the channel out. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I promise you, it don't cost you anything extra. It's just saying, hey, Accusonus, I love what Ellip did and how he presented the video, and I want to take advantage of this because I need help cleaning up my audio. And why not give Ellip some points for doing so? It doesn't cost you anything extra. If I didn't say that before, it doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me out. Appreciate it. That's all the time I have for you today. Remember, music is art. You're the artist. Paint your pictures. Stay creative without rules, guys.